So we've already put the universal joint in the first half of the shaft, so now we'll carry on and fit the second half of the shaft. Make sure the little bearings don't fall over. So it's the repeat process, but this time we've got to hang on to a shaft. So we hook it over, grease, carefully insert the cup so that none of the bearings actually fall over. Not like that. Check it because it come out. I can't emphasise how careful you've got to be not to get them fall over. They go in nicely if they don't fall over. So much more tricky with the other half of the tail shaft attached. Just make sure that half doesn't come out at all. In it goes. As you see earlier, the vise isn't really big enough for doing these, but we have to make do with what we've got. Now, where did my nut go? Where did the nut go? Right, find another nut.
So this is the old one. Is this what was blue?
No, the actual yoke, the cross was blue.
Of the joint?
Yeah. You gently press it in with the vise until we can see the circlip groove just in there. Pop a circlip in. Snaps into its groove.
Can I see that? Yep.
And then our last cup. Once again, careful not to come too far. Make sure they're all upright.
What would happen if you hit that with a hammer then?
The needles would just fall over and then you'd be, which you can't tell until you get it all the way together, and then you have to try and gently take it apart.
And then a new one again?
Well, if they fall over, they tend to just dent the end of the caps and it snaps the rollers. So always be careful. Now it's nearly all the way in, you're a little bit safer because the yokes can't actually come out past the end of the rollers. Or should I say the cross can't come out past the end of the rollers.
Wasn't that the yoke in there?
That's the yoke. That's the cross in the centre. Now I can go a little bit more.
Is there a chance you could do that too far? Or?
No, because the two halves will stop it going too far, but you've got to go far enough that you can get your circle up in the groove. That one hasn't quite gone in yet.
You happy with that?
So what we do is socket that fits in the hole. Tap, it's gone all the way in, nice and tight. The whole thing is nice and tight. Still rotates.
Do you have to do that with all of them?
Yeah, what I do is to make sure they're nicely seated. And that frees up the whole joint. That one previously was tight, that's where I tap it around.
Yep.
Freeze it all up, find the hole.
So do you have to go round with those clips now?
Sorry?
Do you have to do those clips now?
No, the clips are all done.
They're all in?
The clips are all in. The last thing to do, replace the grease nipple.
Where does that go?
That's a little hole.
Oh.
And then that is ready to be refitted to the car.
Done.
Done.
Good job.